cooking
Pizza
with what you
tostadas,
have.
chili quesadilla.
It's like, oh, I want to cook this, I want that, and then you don't. I don't have my peppers, I don't have this, I don't have that. And then, hey, I'm the type person to cook with whatever you got, okay? I was taught that at a young age. Mom said, you better get in there and fix something with whatever you got in there. So, trying to see. I'm thinking I'm gonna make some tacos, maybe some quesadillas. So I got some hamburger. I got some onions. I have the green peppers that I want and the other things. And then I found in the cabinet some flour tortillas. So okay. And then I got the tostadas. You know, sometimes I like things crunchy, and then sometimes I want them a little soft. So let's see what we can make with these few ingredients that we got. I'm gonna cook my ground beef and put me a little soy sauce in it. Get a little flavor. And so let's see how it come out. Okay, since I don't really know what I want, kind of wants a little this, I want a little that. So I got me some tomato paste, and then I got me some, some diced make it a little bit spicy, not much, because I don't like all that. Okay, then I found some Bush's pinto beans, so let's see. So I pour my tomato paste in there, then I'm gonna pour my diced onions in there, and mix it together. Wait for my beans, because I don't want a whole lot, so I'm gonna put a little bit at a time. All depends on which I'm gonna make. So now I'm cooking my ground beef. I'm using some white and black pepper because we got a lot of seasoning going on over already in the sauce. So hold on. So I'm adding a little teriyaki for flavor. I like certain kind of flavors, so that's what I'm doing now after I have drained the. So now I have my sauce, and this one here is without beans, and I have a little one with beans. Cause some want with, some want without. Some chili and some avocado chips. Hey, for one, it's like a quesadilla without the beans. Yeah. That crunchy Tostitos, kind of like a pizza.